إياك نعبد وإياك نستعين اهدنا الصراط المستقيم صراط
It is happening, guys. It is happening. I'm going to perform my first Umrah. I still cannot believe this. But I'm on the bus already. There are a lot of people. Our first steps to perform Umrah are already completed. So I'm in Umrah state since yesterday night, since we arrived in Jeddah. And a few minutes ago I made Niyah. And now while we are on bus arriving to Umrah, to perform Umrah, I am doing Talbiyah, which is to repeat a few phrases in Arabic. And yeah, just do your intention that you are going to perform Umrah, and yeah, it's really, really nice feeling. It feels unreal for now because I still cannot believe that I'm going to perform Umrah. By the way, guys, I know that you're watching this vlog during Ramadan, but I'm going to perform Umrah during Ramadan as well. I guess there will be so many people, so many people performing Umrah because, yeah, guys, like during Ramadan when people come a lot here. Comment below if you have ever performed Umrah by yourself or even Hajj. Also comment below if you performed Umrah during Ramadan, this Ramadan 2025. Comment below.
الله سمع الله لمن حمده
وإذا حكمتم بين الناس أن تحكموا بالعدل إن الله نعم ما يعظكم به السلام عليكم ورحمة الله.
This will be the first time I will try Zamzam water, guys. This is my third round, and I just found they have right here Zamzam water. So excited to try it for the first time in my life. So it's basically here, guys. You can take your cup and just put your Zamzam water. Still cannot believe I have it here, of course, in the right hand. First time Zamzam water, guys. Bismillah. And right there, Kaaba. Here's the Kaaba, guys, and here's Zamzam water for the first time in my life. I say Revert. I reverted in November 2020, for those who don't know, and almost 4 or 5 years later, I came to Mecca, and I was able to see Kaaba and drink Zamzam water. I was invited by Allah, guys. It's so emotional. I have no words to express this, you know. Bismillah, Bismillah, Allahu Akbar. This is so beautiful. This is the most beautiful thing I have ever done in my life. The feeling is, it's not only undescribable, it's just, you cannot describe it. It's so special. This is our 6th round, guys, and mashallah, I cannot believe I'm here, but I would stay here forever, you know. Amazing. I know you cannot like really see the Kaaba, but mashallah, mashallah. And right here is the clock, you know, the one like the hotel, I guess. To perform Umrah during Ramadan is even more special than just a normal day. I went out of storage, guys, but I was saying that to perform Umrah during Ramadan is even more special than just a normal day. It feels incredible, and I even could say that during Ramadan there are even more people than normally. And yeah, as you can see, this is the second floor, and there is the first floor, you know, down, and here's the second floor, and then there's also like third floor as well. So it's so big. It's so big, this place. Just take a look. Wow, so pretty, guys. Mashallah, mashallah. Well, you perform your Umrah, you can make your duas, but I can tell you guys, seeing this, the Kaaba, you like really forget this dunya, and you forget your duas you wanted to ask. I mean, I was like maybe 2 rounds or 3 walking, and just being grateful to Allah and forgetting everything of this dunya. I was basically just saying, if you see this Kaaba, guys, I tell you, you will forget all your duas, literally. You will forget all this dunya, and the only one thing that will matter is the hereafter and Allah, and you will only want to worship Allah and just to remember how amazing is Allah. Allahu Akbar. I really forgot all this my duas, guys. Wow, take a look. Mashallah. You don't need this dunya when you see something like this and you feel it. It's incredible. Mashallah. Take a look. Here you can get your Zamzam water. This is so amazing. Bismillah. 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 Mashallah, Zamzam water in Mecca. Allahu Akbar. Bismillah. Guys, this water is just amazing. It feels so incredible. Look, guys, they gave us some snacks. So cute. Mashallah, amazing. It's already 11 p.m. and look how like there's no people anymore. It's really, really calm. Everyone is just really enjoying this moment. This is so beautiful and nice. Yeah, I definitely like to come late. It's a very good idea. So there's no so much people, and we still got 1 round, guys. Still didn't finish the 6th round. So really nice. Really enjoying this time. Like, it's sunnah to go the first round really, really quick, but the other rounds you can do really, really slowly and enjoying all of it. It is so emotional, so calm, so peaceful, and also I cried, of course. In some rounds I cried, but I must admit, because it was so emotional to see the Kaaba right there, and just incredible. And the other rounds, it's so peaceful. You feel the peace, you know. They also feel amazing. Amazing. Incredible. Look, there are no so many people anymore. Mashallah. And it's Ramadan. So I thought it was the 6th round, but my husband just told me it's the last one. I even didn't notice that, you know. Wow. Almost finishing the last round, guys. And this is the last moment seeing Kaaba. Mashallah. Wow. And right here is the light. See? here finishes. Just finished the 2 Sunnah Rekat, and right now we are going to the last step of Umrah. Take a look, just take a look. When did you had such a views to pray Isha prayer? So right now we are doing the first round of the Safa and the Marwa hills, and can you see like the green light? So during this green light you must run. And this was the hill Marwa. So amazing, and right there is Kaaba. Of course we cannot see this, but it's there. See, in that light you had to run all of it. I think you cannot really see, but there's the Safa mountain, the real one, guys. Just finished my first Umrah, guys. Allahu Akbar. I still cannot believe that. I just need to do my 2 Sunnah Rekats, and that's it, all finished. MashaAllah. Allahu Akbar. Just finished the 2 Sunnah prayers, the last one for this Umrah, and right now we just need to cut a little bit of our hair, and that's it, guys. Wow, the Umrah is performed. Alhamdulillah. This experience was just incredible, so undescribable, amazing. It took us around maybe 4 hours because it's already 12:30 a.m. and yeah, take a look. So beautiful, just amazing. Take a look, guys. This is the Marwa hill. Mashallah, it's the real one. Mashallah. And there's the Kaaba. Subhanallah, guys. My first Umrah is performed. I still cannot believe. This was just a blessing. It really felt a blessing because, you know, Allah chose me to be a Muslim, and Allahu Akbar, to come here as well. Wow. Mashallah. Mashallah. Such a beautiful mosque. Allahu Akbar. I still have no words to describe this incredible experience. It was so beautiful. Allahu Akbar. I really hope you enjoyed this vlog. Also, do not forget to like, share and subscribe, and wait for my second vlog of Umrah as well, inshallah.